and you can change anything you want about these. You can change the font, you can change whether it's bold, you can center it, you can do whatever you need to do, right? Down here, I would put maybe janitorial services. But here you don't really have to think much about it. All you have to do is take, for instance, the original proposal that you've been using, put it side by side and just duplicate it. And you duplicate it by using different elements and adding them to it. If you wanted to put, say, for instance, a picture or say, for instance, your logo or anything, you could do that by adding an image, finding your logo, putting it here, and you can size it how you need to over here. And play around with the sizes, right? Now, say for instance, you don't want this here, you want the logo up top. You can take this and drag it. Let's move this down, see if I can drag it down. Doesn't want me to do it. There we go. And you can move it. Okay. And then you can go on and you can start adding more portions to your proposal, whether it be a video, if you want to put a video in there, if you want to put tables, like for instance, when you're putting in the scope of work, you know how you put the scope of work in on that regular proposal? Well, you do that here. You can add, say, for instance, I want to add, say, about 5 rows, and then you want to add columns below. See that? So now I can say, I can put, let's start here. Sunday, Monday, right? And then you could put, well, actually, it can go however you want to do it. However you want to set it up to kind of mirror the scope of work that's in the original proposal, you just recreate that right over here. And you can change the kind of the font or the size of these letters or these words so that they actually fit.